Hello all and welcome back to this channel. In this video we are going to make the product section of our website. Be tuned and don't let's not waste the time and start. Okay, so now we are going to open this with live server by clicking go live. So last time we had done till here. Now we're going to make the product section. So to make it, let's go to VS Code. First of all, I'm going to go down and create a new section and then name it as section dot products and press enter. And again, now I have to do a list, an ordered list, and inside that I need to do the list item. Okay, now you need to add the title. For example, we are going to add h2, and here our first product. Okay, so first we will add img, and then below that we are going to add the h2 tag. Our first product is going to be what we can say is science, and the image we're going to again go to source.unsplash.com source dot it's getting a bit hanged. Okay, and then we'll press enter, and now this has loaded. Let's go back to the random term search, and okay, we'll go one more below. Yeah, we need to copy this one. I'm just going to copy this and paste it over here, and then this should be 100 by 100 photo of science. Let's save it and go to iEducate. Once we go to iEducate, we will see like this, but this photo doesn't look good. We are going to write here uh, atom, okay, and molecule, and now let's see what happens. Okay, that's it. Now what we're going to do is just select this list item and then replicate it for 4 times. Okay, now here we're gonna write space, and here planet and universe. Okay, here alternate image atom, here space. Okay, and in this one we are going to write programming, and we're gonna erase this science, and in this alt okay, we're going to write code and then programming, here alt programming, yeah, here, and we're going to use the multi-cursor functionality image, right? And in the last item, what we are going to do is we are going to write tips, here books, and we're going to put comma, and then we're going to give laptop, and the alternate image should be laptop and books image. Okay, let's save it and go to the preview. So actually it's processing the request. Okay, that's it. Now what we are going to do is we are going to style the pictures. We'll go to style.css, and we have this products. Okay, we're gonna write dot products, inside that ul, and from that li. We're going to write like that, float to be left, float to be left, and the float is to the left. Okay, let's save it and check out the live preview. Okay, so why didn't it happen? It should have been okay. So what I have to do is, I think that it didn't work. Let's try reloading it. Okay, we made a small mistake over here, and now yeah, that's good, that's good. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a padding of 30 pixel, and we are going to save that. 30 pixel is not enough, so we're going to do it to 130 pixel to see what happens. See, no, not enough. We're gonna do, I guess, 100 pixel. Yeah, that's looking cool. And now what we're going to do is list style type. List style type should be none. Now it looks cool. So guys, thanks for watching, and now there should be something differentiating between these. So what we are going to do, as this section ends, we're going to give an h2 tag and write our products, and now this will look good. And now we will quickly style it directly from here. So now we're going to write the style tag, and inside that we're going to do text align should be center, and that's it. So that's it, guys. It looks, our website is almost done. We have to do the footer section of the home page, and then we will start designing the blog, contact about, and all. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe so that you get you never miss an important update about our website. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll meet next time.